Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you are part of the crew already, hello, welcome, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. You guys, I am so excited with how this look turned out. I wasn't expecting it to be this good. I know that's kind of like giving myself a pat on the back, but I really love how it turned out. I love this color. So this is the look that I am creating for you guys. I use the Deck of Scarlet palette. I am subscribed to Deck of Scarlet, and you pay $30 and you get your palette and whatever else comes in the box with the palette every 2 months. So it's a bi-monthly subscription. This palette by far is my favorite. I have 3 of them and this is my favorite, and that right there, I've been dealing with that the whole video. Construction, cutting grass, we won't be distracted by it. So you guys, before we start, I just want to say that there's going to be lots of background noises. I can't control it. There's construction going on next door. And then my son is sitting right here beside me and he's playing his little phone games. That's the only way I can film, is if I put him beside me. This is the second time I filmed this video, just because the first time I didn't plug in the little microphone on my camera and there was no sound. It was in and out, so I didn't want to put that out there, so I just decided to just redo this video. So you'll see that the palette and the products inside of this box is well loved already. You guys hear that? So for today's eyes, I want maybe do a full cut crease. So I want our outer area right here to be really precise. So I'm gonna use the tape today. It's been a minute since I've used this, so I'm gonna get a little bit of tape, I should say, and I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Make sure you guys do this so it doesn't stick to your skin, and when you peel it off, it's not as bad. It's still bad but it's not as bad. As you guys can see, guys, I'm not putting it right here on like by the lash line, just because I'm probably gonna smoke the out the bottom too, so just give a little bit of play area on the bottom. So let's go ahead and start. So maybe I should have explained the box first before I put this on. Another distraction, right? Anyways, so you get your box in this little black box right here, and it just says Deck of Scarlet, and when you open it, you'll see the card, and then you have a picture of the YouTuber that they collaborated with for this box. And then let me give you a little preview of the design inside. So you have your palette. There's 3 shadows, a blush, a highlighter, there's 2 cream lipstick, and then you have eyeliner and lip liner for this month's box. So let's go ahead and start with the eyeshadow palette. It is gorgeous, you guys. All the boxes are limited edition and the artwork on the boxes are phenomenal. So the outside background is black, and when you open it, the inside background is white. One of the reasons I love this palette is that they separate their cream to their powders. So you have your 2 cream lipstick right here. As you guys can see, it's been loved already, and then you have your powders up here. So like I mentioned, you have your 3 eyeshadows. Let me turn it this way. So you have your 3 eyeshadows, you have a pop of color, and then you have your bronze and your more of a cooler tone right here, and then you have your highlighter, and then you have this spring blush right here. That is not for me, you guys. I love my very subtle peachy blush. And also in this box you have eyeliner and a lip liner. The lip liner is Foxy and the eyeliner is Goddess, which is a bronze eyeliner. So I don't know how I'm gonna use that today. I love my black eyeliner, but we'll see. If not, I will swatch it for you guys. I'm taking my pink pot. Mine dried up, but I looked it up online how to kind of bring it back to life. So it says that you don't have to add anything. All you got to do is mix it up because the oil is still inside. You just gotta mix it up and wake it up a little bit. So that's what I did. That's why it looks crazy like this. So let's see if it did work. I haven't used it. Ooh, it is definitely way creamier. I didn't add anything. I just used a little tiny spatula to wake up the product. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all 3 shades for you guys. This is Bronzed. This is Bora Bora. And this is Starry Eyed. So I'm gonna take Starry Eyed and set my lid with this because we can't use this for our transition anyways. It just blends into my skin tone. So I'm just gonna use that to set my lid. So I'm gonna take Bronze, this one right here, and I'm gonna put that on my crease. Just build up that color because I don't want to use any other palette. I just want to use this. So I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm just gonna take a smaller brush like this, and then I'm gonna blend the top. And I'm just gonna keep on adding till I get the intensity I like for my lid. So I'm gonna take my paint pot to clean up my lid, and I'm just gonna take this little tiny, I think this is maybe a lip brush. No, it's a concealer brush from E.l.f. And we are gonna do a full-blown cut crease today. I've seen a lot of people, they do like a little trick where they put it on their lid right here. They put a good amount right here, and supposedly when you look up it should tell you where you need to stop. Because I have hooded lid, this doesn't work for me, so I'm gonna try it for you guys. Look, they just look up and nothing really happens for me. Am I looking up? I feel stupid. But am I looking up? Or my lids fold right there, so it doesn't matter if I look up. It's just, it folds right there. So for us hoodies out there, what we have to do is we have to look straight. As you guys can see where the fold of my lids, I have to go above that so we can see our shadow. So I'm gonna mark it up here, just up here for now, and then we can always go up. Just look straight. As you guys can see, I have an even lid, so the fold on this one is higher, so I have to go higher with this one. So this one would be like all the way up here. See, it doesn't match with this one, so I have to go higher. Just gotta keep on checking. It is a very thick concealer, so it's kind of hard to work with, but I find it better though because it holds my shadows better. And then out here we are just gonna wing it out, so I'm gonna follow right here. Cut crease is a work of art, so you have to be very patient and use the right product for sure. So I went ahead and finished the other side. They are somewhat even. I can never get them even. It is just so hard for me. Just full cut crease is really hard. I am gonna take Bora Bora. I'm gonna take this shade right here and take this brush right here, the Vintage Cosmetic Company. If there's a product that I use and I didn't mention, just you guys check on the description below. It will be there. So I'm just gonna wet this, because I want that shadow to be really vibrant. So we're gonna wet our brush. Yeah, let's go change our brush because this is not the right brush. So I'm not giving this justice. I'm just gonna use my finger. It's not giving me the shade that I thought it would give me. Did I do something wrong? I'm just gonna try to pack this on my lid, you guys. And now I want our cut crease line to be really, really prominent. So I'm going to take the bronze and I'm just going to highlight that a little bit. I'm just taking a little smudger brush. And then I'm just going to use this brush just to kind of smudge that line so it's not so harsh. So when I do a more full-on cut crease, I feel like with having hooded lids, I can get away with doing wings when I do a full cut crease, just because cut crease gives us the illusion of having a larger lids. So I think if I do a wing, it shouldn't bother, you know, my hooded lids. I don't know, we shall see. And also we have our tape that will help us guide with our wing liner, so we are going to do just that. There's no turning back from this. See if this is just a regular simple eye look. See how my liner is touching my hooded lids, and it's so ugly to me. Like, I don't know, it's just, it disappears like your. But I think with a full-on cut crease, I think it's okay. Maybe, guys, let me know. Okay guys, moment of truth. Let's go take this tape and let's see if it helped us with our wing or it just made it look janky. So let's take this one off. I don't want this video to be anything else but the eyes, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes, apply some mascara, do my full face, and then we'll come back and we'll finish up with the lower lash line and the lips. Okay guys, so I went ahead and extended the wing. Yes, they are large and in charge and uneven, but I think it does make a difference with this look. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm taking this Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. This is just a black liner, and I'm gonna put this on my waterline. And now we're going to take that bronze right there and we're just going to smoke out that black liner that I just applied. There's something scratching my eyeballs, you guys. Making my eyes water now. I don't know what's bothering my eyes, so it's a little watery right now, so I'm just going to work on this side. I'm just taking that little tiny brush that I used. Did I use this in the beginning? And we're gonna dip into the bronze and just smoke that out a little bit more. I'm just blending it on the outer. So now, because my eyes watered, look at that mess right here. You know what, you guys, I'm gonna take that eyeliner. This is in Goddess. Like I said, this is like a bronze, like it probably matches this one right here. Okay, I'm just gonna take this on the inner part of my lower lash line. Let's try this one, just to bring a little bit of light right here. I'm gonna go ahead and coat my lower lashes with my L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black. So let's go ahead and move on to our face. I'm gonna take this blush right here. It is called Luxie, and as you can see, it is very bright and spring, and it's just very coral. And I'm just gonna apply that to the apples of my cheeks. This is gonna be perfect for the summer, for spring. I don't know if I mentioned it, but Deck of Scarlet collaborated with Roxette Arisa. Hello Roxette, I am part of your Rockstar fam. Let's go ahead and swatch this highlight. This is more of a gold highlight. Can you guys see? I think my camera for some reason is not... Oh, that is pretty. It's not showing like the highlighter as much. I need to kind of play around with the setting, but you guys, it is beautiful. It is definitely a gold highlight. It does show my texture, but I'm not mad at texture, you guys. it doesn't bother me. And I'm also gonna put that on my brow bone. And I'm also gonna take that highlighter and use it on the inner corner. And now let's go ahead and play with this cream lipstick that's in this palette. So we have Swept Away, this dark beautiful brown right here, and a more nude brown. This is Smudge. So Swept Away is this one. It's really pretty. I like it. And this is Smudge. So I'm gonna take Swept Away and put that all over my lips. And now I'm gonna take Smudge and just put a little bit in the middle, just that hint of ombre. So this is the full look that I created using the Deck of Scarlet palette, and this is the lip combo that I created with the 2 cream lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys share this video so we can grow our channel, and also hopefully you subscribe before you leave. And thank you for being here. I appreciate you, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.